In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a BPMN diagram in Microsoft Visio. Before we dive in, a quick primer. BPMN, or Business Process Model and Notation, is a standardized visual language used to map how work flows across a process. It uses familiar symbols for events, activities, gateways, and flows so that teams can read and discuss a process with the same understanding. Microsoft Visio supports BPMN 2.0, which means the templates and shapes you'll use are designed to align with that standard. Start by opening Microsoft Visio on your desktop. Not every web version supports BPMN, so the desktop app is your safest bet. Go to File, then New. In the search box, type BPMN or BPMN Diagram, and select the BPMN diagram template from the results. Click Create to open a fresh canvas with the right stencils ready to go. If you don't see the BPMN option, you may need a version like Visio Professional or Visio Plan 2, which include BPMN support. Next, add your BPMN shapes. On the left, look for the BPMN Basic Shapes stencil. If it's not visible, open More Shapes, navigate to Flowchart, and choose BPMN Basic Shapes. Drag a start event onto the canvas to show where your process begins. Add tasks to represent actions, gateways to model decisions or splits in the flow, and an end event to indicate completion. Place these shapes roughly in the order your process runs. You can refine the layout as you go. Now connect your shapes to show the flow. Hover over a shape to reveal auto-connect arrows and drag to the next shape to create a sequence flow quickly. If you prefer precision, go to the Home tab, choose the Connector tool, and draw lines manually. By default, these connectors are sequence flows, which show the order of activities. If you need a different type, such as a message flow or an association, right-click the connector line and choose the appropriate type to reflect the relationship correctly. With the structure in place, set the attributes for your shapes to match BPMN semantics. Right-click a shape to open its context menu and choose options that refine its meaning. For example, change a generic task to a send task or receive task to clarify what's happening, or adjust event markers so they represent the right trigger or result. These small adjustments make your diagram accurate and easier to interpret. Finally, consider validating your diagram. Go to the Process tab, and in the Diagram Validation group, select Check Diagram. Visio will flag any issues in the Issues window, such as missing connections or misused symbols. Address the listed items and revalidate until everything passes. This optional check helps ensure your BPMN diagram is visually correct and consistent with the standard.